Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma. Today's video, I'm just going to be sharing some morning cleaning motivation with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As you can tell, I am starting off here in the kitchen. Our kitchen is quite a mess. We did recently get back from camping for 4 days, so we do have stuff to put away as well, but I needed to put some pinto beans to cook, so I brought out my Mexican pot or olla, and then I just boiled the water in there. Then I added the beans inside there after I finished like sorted them, make sure there was no rocks, and then washed them, and then I just add some salt in there.
I felt his hand when I was astray.
So now that the beans are cooking, we're going to start off the kitchen here to start cleaning up. You can see in the back over there in the dining room, I have a basket full of stuff that needs to go like pretty much in the pantry and stuff like that. And then we also have to tidy up the living room after we're done with the kitchen. So I'm just going to start here on this side since I was already on this side over here. I just started off by putting just whatever was on the counter in the trash. I had to go to the trash and then clearing off the stove, of course. And I like to have my crock pot out or my Dutch oven out, so that's what I went ahead and just put it back on top of the stove for now, and then put a little bit of leftovers, some like little noodles that I made for the kids in the morning. I just went ahead and put that in a Tupperware, and then I'm gonna wait until it cools down to put that away, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just work my way through the kitchen towards the sink, just throw whatever needs to be put away. And then in the morning I did go outside to water my plants, and then I noticed that my cherry plants, or my little cherry tomato plant, had several little tomatoes on there, so I went ahead and picked those. You guys could see there was quite a few, so our plant has actually gave a lot this year, so I'm so excited. Then I also picked the last of the serrano peppers that were on the plants as well. It still has like a lot of flowers, but these were already ready, so we went ahead and picked those. But we're just going to continue working our way through the kitchen. Like I mentioned, the kitchen was a bit of a mess. The kids are still home on vacation. It's super hot here in California. I don't know, I feel like the heat this year is way more hotter than it has been the past years. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning. Jill wanted some strawberries, so that's what I was doing there. And then a lot of these things here are from our camping trip, so I did get them off the trailer in the morning. Then I just had to go ahead and put stuff away. But I hope you guys find the motivation you guys are needing in today's video. Okay, so while I quickly speed wash the dishes with YouTube Magic, I just wanted to take the moment to introduce myself to those who are new. I have several new subscribers over here on my channel. So once again, my name is Irma Guzman. I am a mother of 4. I have 2 girls and 2 boys. I've been married to my husband now for around 20 years. And we do live in Fresno, California. It is extremely hot here in the summer right now. And over here on my channel, I just love to share everything home decor and decorating, as well as homemaking, of course. Well, I do have 4 kids, so our house does get a bit messy. Not quite messy because they are already bigger. My youngest, she's actually going to be 8 in December. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me. I do work at Burlington right now besides my YouTube channel. And I just love decorating, especially for the fall and Christmas time, which that is already coming up, and I'm starting to already start brainstorming and getting ideas of how I want to do my fall decor. I'm a very traditional style fall with traditional colors. So I'm definitely just gonna still keep it that way. I've tried before to do like neutrals and nudes, but I don't know, I just feel like it's not a fall for me. I know it looks so cute with so many other people's and so many other people's houses and stuff like that. Just for our house and my likings, I don't know, I just like that more cozy, darker, moody colors. So yeah, that's what my fall decor is going to be a little bit like. But if you guys are stopping by here for the first time, I just introduced myself to you guys as well. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting each and every one of my videos that I upload. If you have not clicked that subscribe button, don't forget to click the button before you leave and turn on the notification bell, because once you click that notification bell, YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video, so that way you don't miss out, especially with all the fall and Christmas content that's going to be coming. I am so excited to start with my fall, so give me like around a month more and then I will start posting everything with going to be related with my fall and my fall decor and all of that. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me and my channel. I hope you guys continue stopping by and enjoying every time. If you guys ever have questions or items you guys see in my home that you guys would like to know a little bit more about, or like want to see where I purchased or try and purchase one or anything like that, go ahead and just leave me a comment down below. Or you guys can also follow me over on my Instagram. I do have my Instagram handle linked in the description box for you guys. Now that we're all done with the dishes and everything, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly wipe down the counters. And then we're going to jump into the dining room to go ahead and start sorting out that basket full of items. So now that we're in dining room, I'm going to start off with this cabinet here. I did have some hot cocoa pouches that were left over from our camping trip I wanted to put in here, but I wanted to go ahead and just rip them like all at once instead of taking them apart little by little. And I accidentally bust open two of them. One here, you can see it's busted open more, so I just made myself a double work and having to clean this. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly take out all of the stuff that were already in here. I'm going to rinse off my containers, and then I do have to wipe down inside the drawer, and then we'll just go ahead and start putting the stuff back in there. But me trying to do the things fast just added some extra work to me.
I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. Come to the table. drink your fill and be well. Oh, I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. Oh, I can hear you call my name. You come to the valley, come lay your head down, come rest your feet by the river of life, and come to the pasture.
Now it's time to move on to the table. That basket full of stuff. So it just has like breads from our hot dog or hamburger, whatever was left over. It has our cereal boxes in there. And then I had a couple of Jilla's coloring books and color crowns and stuff like that. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly put all of this stuff in the pantry. And then just fold the basket back again. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to wiping the table.
I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. Come to the pasture, lie by the river. Come drink your fill and be well. Come to the table, cup runneth over. Come drink your fill.
So we are in pretty much mid-July already. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove the American flags that we have displayed around our house. You saw me there pick up 2 of them from our dining room. I have this one on this side of the kitchen. Of course, I can't forget that I'm cooking my beans, so I have to go quickly check that. And then I have another one over here on the other side of the sink in this tray. So we're just going to go ahead and remove those because it's already time to remove those, of course. And then I just noticed that the kids left all kinds of plastic forks and spoons from last night's dinner. We ordered takeout, so we went ahead and just put those away. And then we're going to move down to the living room. From the kitchen view, I noticed that the console table is looking very dusty, so I went ahead and wiped that off. And then I'm just going to take 2 of my plants and drop them off in the sink to go ahead and add water to them.
Water to drink, and now I trust your gentle hand, even when I can't understand. I know your voice, I'm not afraid, walking with me.
So I'm done fluffing up the pillows and the throw pillows here on our sofa, and then this blanket I just had to fold it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and clear off the table, and then you guys could see a box here in the middle of the living room. Like I mentioned, I am a mother of 4, and my youngest, she's gonna be 8, so my daughter was actually playing with this box here, and I didn't want to destroy it or put it away, so I just went ahead and worked around it and left it there for her so she could finish playing with it. She was still in that type of age where sometimes when she finds boxes, she likes to make like little houses or stuff like that. So that's what she had going on there with a big box that Dad had received a package, and he gave it to her. And then I noticed I had one more flag over here, so I'm just going to remove this, light the candle, and our cleaning is done in our main area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you guys are not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Even